Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is August weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, guys, this is if it is not resonate, don't force to fit in because this is general. So what are the messages for you and what's going on, Capricorn? Lot of cards, that's why I'm not taking. So what are the messages for Capricorn and what's going on? Capricorn, what's going on? Okay. Under the deck, Justice, 9 of Cups, 8 of Swords and 8 of Cups. Lots of you are in separation. If not, you will decide to walk away from this connection. For some, you already walked away. Because you are always feeling stuck. You wishing for this connection, but maybe your person is in and out of your life. There is no stability. Reason could be anything, but you have to walk away. For some, you already did it. Maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life because there is no balance in this connection at all. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Libra and Scorpio. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Page of Cups, King of Pentacles and Three of Wands. So for those who walked away already, in recent past, maybe your person approached you with an apology or they texted you. But your total focus is on your career, on your abundance, Capricorn. You turn your back from your person. But some of you still you have some hope. Maybe you're still waiting on them. But your total focus on your career, on your abundance. Then present 4 of Swords, Page of Swords and 4 of Pentacles. You are healing, you are taking rest. And you are utilizing this time to heal yourself completely. A lot of spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you. Definitely a lot of spying is going on social media. But you are not opening up. You are holding back. 4 of Pentacles energy. So you decided to holding back. Then future 6 of Swords, 5 of Cups and Death. Finally, for those who are in juggling, so finally you made a decision, or for some you will make a decision. You will walk away, even though it is painful for you, because 5 of Cups and Death, it is separation. You decided to walk away. Yes, for some, lots of you are involved in third party situation. Even though it is very painful for you, you walked away. You decided to walk away. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Capricorn, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Knight of Cups, Page of Wands, 9 of Wands, Hierophant. Yeah, there are some commitment issues, stability issues between you and your person. There is no stability at all. This is on and off connection. They're guarded up. When you need them, emotionally they're not available to you, and communication is coming. For lots of you, you both have age differences, but they have romantic feelings for you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Capricorn, your person current feelings and intentions. Seven of Swords, Page of Swords and Queen of Wands and Temperance. They are being very patient. I think there is no balance in this connection at all, and your person for some very dominative. They're thinking about to take action, but right now they're spying you a lot. And for some, there are some trust issues. Definitely in past they did hurt you. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you. But there is a reason for that. Their feelings, 10 of cups, king of cups, and 10 of wands. They do love you. For some, they already married and having kids with other women or other men. Definitely third party involved in this connection, but they do love you. There is love, but there are some trust issues also, and your person feeling overburdened. For some, their emotions are running high. So let's see their intentions. Lot of spying is going, definitely. Yeah, see, lot of spying. Again, the spying card. They want to text you. They keep putting tabs on you. Yes, again, Queen of Wands, Temperance, and Queen of Cups, and Five of Swords. Lot of issues. There is love. At the same time, there are some issues. Yes, they want to make action towards you. For some, they will make action very soon. They're wishing for this connection, and they're spying you a lot. Yes, they do love you, but there are a lot of issues involved in this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. They are not expressing their true feelings. It's a mutual love. Two of Cups, definitely mutual love. Maybe your person having hard time to express their love because lot of drama is going. 10 of Swords, they're in so much pain. Definitely trust issues. Capricorn, they did hurt you. Now they're feeling guilty. Now they have regrets. What I'm getting here. They do love you, but what they did to you in past, now they are feeling guilty. Definitely, that's why they are not expressing. But they're spying you a lot. They're watching you. They are wondering about you a lot because you walked away. Nine of Pentacles and Nine of Cups. I think you are concentrating on your career. Your total focus is on your abundance, Capricorn, and your wishes are going to be granted. So let's see mutual energies. Definitely your wishes are going to be granted. After walked away, your total focus is on your career. You don't want to depend on anyone, especially emotionally. So let's see mutual energies. Three of Cups. Eight of Swords. See, lots of you are involved in third party situation. Right now this connection is stuck. For some, you both are stuck on each other, third party involved. That's why there is no movement. Yeah, for some, definitely the person spying on you will text you. For some, they will make a move. But you are focusing on yourself. And Eight of Cups again. Yes, you are ready to walk away. For some, you already walked away. There is separation and lot of thinking is going. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Capricorn. Text is coming. I fantasize about you a lot. Long distance relationship and friendship. For some, you both are very, very good friends. So text is coming. I fantasize about you and long distance relationship. These are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. You are good enough, full moon in Virgo. So if you are feeling that you are not good enough, this is the message for you. You are good enough. Love yourself, respect yourself. Then you will attract love and respect. And balance spirituality and practicality. So you have to balance both spirituality and practicality. Full moon in Pisces. So this is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.